Hello friends and welcome back to our today's tutorial. In today's class, you are going to learn how best to carry operations on radical expressions involving variables. And these are the questions we have. They are so simple to answer. Now we're going to begin with the first one and we're going to have solution. Remember, for further details on how to simplify each of these, kindly visit the comment section, the link I will leave there. Now let's answer this. This is square root, okay? So what you're going to do now is you want to bring out the perfect squares in this. Now to do that, you know that 45, we can split this to give us, this can be splitted to be square root of 45 multiplying this, okay? The highest perfect square in 45 is 9. So we have 9, and when you multiply 9 by 5, it gives you back 45. Then we have this, okay? Then what's the square root of 9? The square root of 9 will give us 3 because it's perfect. This one that is not perfect will remain in the root. Now, how do you simplify this? You know that because it's square root, there's 2 here. So you divide this 3 by 2, you have 1, and there will be a remainder of 1. So this one that is whole means that x will be 1 outside. Then the remainder means there will be 1x remaining inside the root. Did you see how we simplify this now? Now the next one is, for this, what will it be? If you follow the same approach, so let's take this. For this, what we are going to have there is the highest perfect square in 18 is what? 9. And it is 9 times 2 that will give us 18. So we have this, okay? Square root of 9 will give us what? 3. This will remain in the root. This is to the power of 2. So each square root, it will take off 1. This power 2, so we have x left. And if you simplify this, it will give you 3x root 2. Then this one we're having square root of 50 x to the power of 2. So what you're going to do here is you are going to get the perfect square in 50, and that is 25. And when you multiply by 2, it gives you 50. Then also multiply it. Let's use dot. We multiply by what? X squared. Okay? So here, this will give us 5. This will remain in the root. And this will be taken care of by have this. So we have 5x root 2. Then, finally this, what do you have? We have root 20x cubed. This will give us what? The perfect square is 4 times 5. Then multiply by x cubed. So the square root of 4 is 2. This will remain, we have this. Now remember, this is power of 3. And when you divide 3 by 2, you still have 1 remaining 1. So 1x will be out and 1 will be inside. So if you simplify this, you are going to have 2x. This one's in the root to multiply to give you 5x. Did you see that? So what do you do next? This is now going to give us, we now gather what we have together. And if we gather it together, we are going to have, for this, what do we have there? If you finally simplify this so that the ones in the root will be together, we are going to have 3x root 5x. Did you see that? So for this is what we have, which is 3x root 5x. I hope this is cleared. Then for this, what do we have there? This is what we have. So we have minus 3x root 2. For this, what do we have? This is our answer. So we have plus 5x root 2. And finally, this, what do we have? This is our answer, minus 2x root 5x. So what do you do at this point? What we are going to do now is to gather them together. The ones that are liked, obeying the rules, okay? The rules we've already treated, the link I will leave in the comments. So the ones that are liked here are the ones with the same radicals and indexes. And those ones are, this is liked with this. Okay, so let's bring it here. We are going to now have 3x root 5x. Bring this, we have minus 2x root 5x. This one is liked with this, so we have 3x root 2 plus 5x root 2. So what do? You are going to only work with their coefficients. So what you're going to do here is 3x minus 2x root 5x. Okay? Then here you're going to also work with coefficient. You have minus 3x plus 5x root 2. So 3x minus 2x will give us x root 5x. Okay? If you add this, it's going to give us plus 2x root 2. And this is your answer. I hope this was understood. Now remember, if you are still new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for the more you get from us. Let's know what you feel in the comment section about what we're doing. Remember, you can share this tutorial if what you are doing is impressing you, and also give this tutorial a thumbs up. If you are ready, let's go into question 2. So to answer the second one, what do? We are going to still obey the same rule to simplify the radicants. Okay, so if you do that, this will give us 2a square root of 16a to the 7th power. So let's simplify this. What do you have? This will give us 2a. What is the perfect square of this? Is still 16. So we're going to have, okay, let's just do it this way. This will give us 2a. The square root of this is 4. It's perfect. Now this is 7, so you simply divide 7 by 2, and it gives you 3 remaining 1. So it means a will be 3 outside. So we have a to the power of 3 will be outside, and 1 will be inside to have this. Okay? Then for this, what do you have? 3 cube roots of 81 a to the 4th. You will now ask yourself, what is the highest perfect cube in 81? The highest perfect cube in 81 is 27. Okay, so we're going to split that to now have 27. And when you multiply 27 by 3, it gives you this 81. Then we have a to the 4th power. And if you simplify, you're going to have 3. The cube root of 27 is 3. So you bring it out. This one will remain in the root. Let's write it down. So we have 3 out. This one will remain in the root. We have cube root of 3. Then for this that is power 4, you divide 4 by 3. You have 1 remaining 1. So 1a will be out and 1 will be inside. Okay, so gather these ones outside. We have 3 times 3 is 9a. We have cube root of 3a. So for simplifying this, this is what you have. Then finally, simplify this. This will give us 5a. This is perfect. So bring 1 out. It will be a square root of 3 will remain. So if you multiply, you have 5a squared root 3. Okay, so let's gather what we have. This gave us this. Let's gather them together. So in that case, for this, what do we have? For simplifying this, this is what we have. So let's conclude this. 2a multiplies this will give us 2 times this is 8. A multiplies this is a to the 4th, then square root of a. So for simplifying this, we got 8a to the 4th square root of a. For simplifying this, this is what we have. So we have plus 9a cube root of 3a minus, this gave us 5a squared square root of 3. I hope that is clear. So when you look at this, the question is there anyone that are the radicants the same there? You will notice the radicants are not the same. So in this case, the radicants, this one is a, this is 3a, and this is 3. So they are different radicants. You cannot combine them. So in that case, this remains your answer. I hope this is cleared. And I hope you learned a lot. Please, if you did, don't forget to subscribe for more and let's know your thoughts in the comment section. You can share with your friends and also give us a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next class and bye-bye.